In the quaint town of Willowbrook, where the scent of wildflowers danced on the breeze and the sun kissed the earth with gentle warmth, there lived two souls destined to intertwine in a tale of love. Evelyn, with her eyes like sapphires and a smile that could brighten the darkest of days, was the daughter of the town's beloved florist. She possessed a heart as tender as the petals she arranged with care, and a spirit as free as the birds that sang in the dawn. And then there was Lucas, a wandering artist with a soul as restless as the wind itself. With a canvas as his companion and dreams as vast as the open sky, he wandered the world seeking inspiration, until fate led him to the quiet streets of Willowbrook. Their paths crossed one fateful day in the meadow where wildflowers bloomed in abundance. Evelyn, lost in the beauty of nature, found herself captivated by the strokes of Lucas's paintbrush as he immortalized the scene before him. Their eyes met, and in that moment, time seemed to stand still. Sparks ignited, and an invisible thread wove its way around their hearts, binding them together in a silent promise. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, as Evelyn and Lucas explored the depths of their connection. They shared laughter under the golden sunsets and whispered secrets beneath the silver moon, their love blossoming like the flowers in Evelyn's garden. But like all tales of love, theirs was not without its challenges. Lucas's restless spirit yearned for the horizon, while Evelyn's roots ran deep in the soil of Willowbrook. Yet, in each other's arms, they found solace and strength to face whatever obstacles lay ahead. In the end, it was the whispers in the wind that guided them home to each other. For no matter where life's journey took them, their love remained an unbreakable bond, a testament to the enduring power of two souls entwined in the dance of destiny.